Hello everyone, this is Chandrika from Tsinfo Technologies. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to export a SharePoint online list to the Excel. So let's implement it in a practical manner. Open your SharePoint site with your Microsoft credentials. Select any one of your list. This is the SharePoint list that I want to export to the Excel. Export option is only available when items in the SharePoint list are not selected. Here we can see the export option in the command bar. When we select the items of a SharePoint list, the export option will be disappeared from the command bar. Click on the export option. We can export a SharePoint online list to the CSV and also export to Excel, export to Power BI. So now we are showing how to export SharePoint online list to the Excel. So click on export to Excel. Then the SharePoint online list will get downloaded to your local system. Click on open. Click on enable in Microsoft Excel security notice. In the import data, select OK. Then the SharePoint online list will be exported to the Excel. Select any styles in the table styles to format the Excel table. In the table design tab, click on refresh because the changes made in the SharePoint list will be automatically updated to the Excel. So now we will see how the Excel will automatically updates changes made in the SharePoint online list. Go back to your SharePoint online list, click on plus new, create an item, click on save. Now an item has been created in the SharePoint list. Navigate back to the Excel. After getting back to the Excel spreadsheet in the design table, click on refresh, refresh all. Now we can see the item created in the SharePoint list will be automatically updated to the Excel spreadsheet. This is how to export a SharePoint online list to the Excel spreadsheet. For more videos on SharePoint Online, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.